Welcome back to the WHHI-TV Daily News. Joining me now is Dr. Alan Wedell, and he is with Capital Chiropractic Clinic, and that is the newest chiropractic clinic in Hardeeville. Welcome. Thank you for being here.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about your new practice, and actually, just kind of talk to us a little bit about what chiropractors do in general. I think some of us have kind of a broad knowledge of it, but give us a little more detail.
Sure, absolutely. So I've opened my practice earlier this year up in Hardeeville, right next to the library. Okay. So we're up on Main Street here in Hardeeville. And chiropractic, for those who don't know, is a healing method. It's a method of healing the body that we prioritize the functionality of the nervous system. Okay. So a lot of people think that we're actually back doctors, but just so happens that a lot of our nerves are coming out from the spine, and we're really nervous system doctors.
That's very interesting. I really would not have known that because, you think of chiropractors and you think of them cracking your back or cracking your neck, but that all has to do with the nervous system, I guess.
Yeah, so the purpose of chiropractic is to get the nervous system functioning at a high level. And when there's misalignments in the spine and other things going on, we can see that the nerve function and transmission of signal is being affected negatively. So when we can release that stress off the nervous system, we see the body start to kind of take over and facilitate its natural healing ability.
Nice, I like that. And so if somebody is interested in learning more about you, you have an open house coming up to kind of celebrate your opening. So tell us a little bit about that event.
Yeah, I'm so glad you brought that up. We're going to be hosting our first open house this Saturday, May 20th. We'll provide some light refreshments, and we're going to go over a little bit about the history of chiropractic, some of the main characters and people involved with the development of chiropractic, and also offer an opportunity for people to get signed up for their consultations. Okay. That'll be this Saturday, like I said, at the clinic, 16 Main Street in Hardeeville, right across from the Piggly Wiggly. We're going to be doing that from 10 to 3. So we really would invite anybody who's curious or interested to please stop by and at least say hi.
So tell us a little bit about, it might be, for me, I think it's a little bit intimidating to think about kind of the manipulation that you go through, and tell us why it's not a scary experience.
Sure. So it's a very safe method, and there's a couple different ways that different doctors will adjust people. That's what we call our method in chiropractic. We don't call it a service, we call it an adjustment. That's the proper word for it. Okay. And it's okay to be squeamish. It might be new to you. And we have other methods. We have gentle methods where we use an instrument. We call it instrument adjusting. Okay. That can be a lighter force technique. It's very safe. There's millions of adjustments that happen every day, and millions of adjustments that are delivered by chiropractors every day with no negative incidents. We do tend to hear about the more extreme ones in the news because it's good news. But for the most part, 99.999% of the time, chiropractic adjustment is very safe and very effective first step towards feeling better.
Okay. And I want to make sure that we get this in our last 30 seconds or so, but you are a first responder and veteran friendly, so you offer some special discounts to those folks.
Yes, we are really appreciative of people in the community that serve the community. We hope to be partnered with them in a very big way, and we want to offer them some appreciation on that. So we offer discounts for all first responders, fire, police, EMS, and we're happy to provide that for them.
Well, Dr. Wedell, thank you for being here today, and make sure you are checking them out this Saturday from 10 to 3 next to the library across from Piggly Wiggly. Thanks again so much for being here.
All right, thanks for having me.
And that's going to do it for this edition of WHHI News. For all of us, thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time.